If you're ready to shine on the stage or screen, I've got good news. Jobs for actors are expected to grow by a whopping 32% over the coming decade. You'll need a great application to land the job, but an acting resume can look different than those of other professionals. And that's where I enter the scene. I'm Anna, a professional career writer here at Resume.io. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through my top 3 tips to land your next acting job. Let's roll. Before I reveal my top 3 tips, let's discuss what looks mean for your actor resume. Go for a header that highlights your contact information and offers space for a professional headshot. An expertly designed template makes this really easy. You can find this adaptable actor resume example at the link below. Now let's get to the storyline of your actor resume. My top 3 tips will help you play up your experience. Number 1, use your summary to show your range. The summary is 3 to 4 sentences right at the top of your resume that allow you to speak directly to the casting director. Use this space to highlight the parts you've played that are most relevant to the production you're auditioning for. And number 2, link to your performances. You probably have a website or portfolio with performances or audition recordings. On your resume, add a link directly to these important testaments to your acting skills. This step makes it simple for casting directors to see the variety of characters you can play. And number 3, manage your credits. Actors should change the section name from employment history to credits. Next, reorder them so that the most impressive ones are at the top of the list. You want the casting director to see your most relevant experience first. Our online resume builder makes it super quick and easy to move around these items and save different versions of your resume. Before we roll the credits, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for even more videos on making your application the star of the show. Now it's time to go out there and get that acting job.